On this week, a lot of patches are emerging, like shadows from previous reparation attempts.
Tenemos parches, parches.
A new upper code has
Ya llegó la
arrived.
pieza nueva. Más parches, parches, más parches.
It has a lot of rust around the windshield. It has to be repaired.
Del parabrisas.
There is a lot of damage at the rear quarter panels.
Óxido.
On this week, torque boxes have arrived. Those are reinforcements for convertible models. In this case, those are for 65 Mustangs. And also, the floor has arrived, divided in 6 parts. And a couple gossettes. Those are reinforcements for 65 to 73 Mustangs. And what a surprise! This is a remaining from the original headliner.
Parte todavía del cielo original. Vamos a contar cuántos
Let's
parches
count how
tiene.
many patches have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 patches.
Entonces, el trabajo
A lot of panels will be made. This one will be made. This was bought. This one will be made. This will be also be made. This one will be made. And the entire floor was bought. And they will be made from sheet metal. Yes, from scratch. And those are other projects made by Mr. Cortez.
¿Por qué no se hacen ruedas una semana cuando no? Son las que hago a mano, láminas de 16.
He made those fenders by hand. He also made this pickup trunk. Check the details around the bolts.